We have a heat advisory in effect, but it does not include the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So does that mean, oh, it's not going to be hot tomorrow? The answer is no. It just doesn't meet that criteria. The criteria for the National Weather Service here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area is when the heat index hits 105 or higher, and it's this area here that's more likely to happen, where the humidity will be a little bit higher. Still going to be muggy tomorrow, not quite as humid for most areas, but does it matter when it's 101 in Dallas tomorrow, 101 in Fort Worth, 104 in Granbury, 102 in Hillsboro. So a very hot day tomorrow with temperatures again close to record territory. 104, that's what it's going to feel like tomorrow at DFW. 98 on Tuesday, little relief, if you will. 97 on Wednesday with a heat index of 101, upper 90s through the end of the week. This is a weather pattern that's not going to break anytime soon. This is the next 10 days. This is the problem right here. This big area of high pressure, this ridge, stays in control. No big cool downs. It's going to stay hot, it's going to stay humid, and it's going to stay dry too. When you have high pressure, it just means it's dry. You need low pressure systems for rain, for storms, that kind of thing. You can actually see how things are just kind of scaling all around North Texas. The state really just sitting dry. This is the problem. That's why it's so hot. Look at rainfall forecast over the next 10 days. I mean, this is it. You see this right here? That's your rain chance. Getting into that's next Saturday. So this upcoming Saturday, I've got a little chance of rain in the forecast. But in the meantime, you get it, Vincent? Vincent gets it. He understands what I'm saying. There's just not much rain to talk about over the next 10 days. I understand, man. I get it. But see, here you go. Trace, maybe 1/10 of an inch if you get lucky. But we got to go all the way to Saturday to find our chance of rain. It's a 10% for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, a little bit higher to the south of I-20. And that's it as we look over the next 10 days. Tonight, 80. That's a very warm and muggy start to your Monday. Clear skies tonight, winds out of the south 10 to 15. Tomorrow, 101. Look at the record. It's 102, set back in 1924. So again, more near record heat tomorrow. The heat index up to 105 in some areas, 104 for DFW. There's your next 10 days. Not a sign of relief anywhere. There's that itsy bitsy little tiny 10% chance of rain on Saturday. Father's Day, well, it's going to be dry, but it's going to be very hot, 100 degrees the high then. And then beyond Father's Day weekend, well, it's much of the same.